Mr. Dejan, can we bring down the camera?
Bring it down?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Just 1 second, just so they can see here, and then once.
Yeah, we want. Okay, let it. This.
Let's give the camera access.
Yes, I've captured it.
Your people are here.
Thermal camera. It has an inverter. With batteries. It has 3 alternate powers. You can charge it through the alternator of the vehicle when it's running. You can charge it using a generator provided inside the vehicle. You can also power it via a direct power supply. So it has a charging point from the back here where you just connect. There's a cable connected to that, which we have there, so that it will guarantee power supply for the vehicle at all times. So this is where we, yeah. So this can serve for the generator and also for the direct power supply. This is just to guarantee a charging, because the battery is on standby. It will run up to 8 hours a day, but you know, surveillance goes on 24 hours, so you may need to use generator. That's why it has its own mobile generator that goes along with it. And also, if it is stationed at a particular place where there is a power supply, we can also plug it to have a direct charging, which guarantees 24-hour charging on this. So basically, the mobile surveillance is for the surveillance of the airport, and it also comes with a fixed surveillance system. It also comes with a fixed surveillance system with 2 multi-sensor cameras that are going to be mounted at the top of the control tower, with 5 radars, 3 on the 18 right runway and 2 on the 18 left, which are motion detectors, so any movement around the runway and its environment will be detected by the cameras, which are going to be monitored from the control tower. So every single movement around those areas will be picked by the cameras, and then it will now send to the people manning it on the control tower. They'll be able to pick. And these cameras are long-range thermal cameras. They can detect at a long distance range, at about 5 kilometers. It will be able to detect a person and put an ID to that person. That, when I say put an ID, it means facial recognition of the person, picture of the person is complete. It also has a GPS signal which is there. It has a GPS which has will download all the maps of the environment, and then with that you can actually put a distance, you can calculate the distance of where the person is for you, and then give you the location of the person through the map, so that you'll be able to send for any assistance or anybody to check what is going on there. So that's basically the distance. So when we go inside, Mr. Dejan will take us through how it works. We put up the camera, it will come out, and then he will show us how it works. It has night vision, it works under rain, it works under fog, or any hazy weather. It works under all weathers. It works both day and night.
Please, can I tell us your full names and destination?
Yeah, my name is Aminu Tijani, from head of project, Globally Pro Project Limited.
Thank you. So, maybe when we go in,
We separated from the equipment area to try and keep it as comfortable as possible. It also has its own AC, communication equipment, and control over the whole system. So from here, the operator, once ready, once in position, can simply decide to raise the cameras. And now you will be able to see from the outside that the cameras have started to lift
If you
up.
check from the outside, you see that the cameras are now coming up.
So we have the van, and then I think there is 1.5 meters above the van.
Oh, okay. 1.5.
1.5 up from the van.
Van.
But one thing is certain that you cannot drive.
Here, in his own territory, he's here to brief you on the new development, and you may ask him all you want. Further explain our purpose of coming here. Thank you. Okay, sir, if I may.
Thank you very much. First, I want to appreciate you guys for the interest that you have for the airport. And I also want to use the opportunity to thank management, led by Mr. Kabiru, for this provision. Well, for the incident, the unfortunate incident that happened the other time, the management has deemed it fit to enhance the surveillance of the airside. And that is the reason why they have provided this equipment onto us. We want to assure you that the surveillance of the airport definitely will be better enhanced. That the surveillance of the airport, especially the airside, will be better enhanced, and that we'll be able to get desired results. It is mainly cameras. We have both the static and the roving cameras there, and the essence is to be able to protect, especially the airside, most importantly the airfield, so that if at any point there is any intruder, definitely it will send a signal to us there, to our control room. And once we are able to sense that place immediately, our people, because we already have our security men around the airside, immediately the signal is sent to them, they will be able to go straight to where the incident is taking place, and that is the essence. So instead of going around, they will be able to know the exact spot where the incident is taking place, and then our security men will move on.
Now, sir, is it a 24 hours operations?
Yes, it's going to be a 24-hour operation.
Okay, despite this, we are also enhancing the CCTV cameras, the surveillance also, that's the physical surveillance. We're improving the number of staff. That's part of the complaints were that there is shortage of manpower. So we're also working on that area. We've already brought some operational vehicles, additional ones to the ones existing. We also are in the process of procuring more operational vehicles, all for the security purposes.
So can we know how much this equipment costs for?
No, you cannot. Thank you. We're looking at other airports, but for now, Lagos is our major concern, so we're putting one here as a start. Remember, it's not just the vehicle that serves the purpose. We have some radar on 18 right, and then the 18 left itself. We have radar across, so and it will be feeding information to this, and you'll be able to also monitor it from the top. Thank you very much.
Yes.